So how did I reach 118,000 followers on YouTube in 20 days? I will tell you 3 easy ways you can do that, and it's actually really easy. This will be a really short video, but these are 3 tips that will probably guarantee 100% that you will actually reach your 100,000 followers. If you have your TikTok and you are uploading constantly, I would recommend you downloading your old TikToks without the watermark and uploading them on your YouTube Shorts. If you upload your old TikTok videos with the watermark, you will probably not get many views, because I think YouTube has a detection system where they can detect that you just re-uploaded. So take this advice and remove the watermark. And there are plenty online websites you can do it on. Number 2 is just create highly edited and high quality videos, just like I do. You can check them out if you want. But yeah, I think it's really easy right now just to create high quality content with high quality camera. And I think you will get a lot of views based just on that. And yeah, I think for the next 6 months, it's really a great opportunity and really easy one. So just do it. Third option is uploading other people's videos. All you have to do is just create commentary or just react to that video. So you're basically making a reaction videos or stitches or duets like on TikTok. This is basically how I did it with my channel. That's how I reached 118,000 followers in 20 days. And I think YouTube Shorts right now is the most underpriced attention, and 99% of people that are creators won't even see this video or won't take advantage. If you do it correctly and if you are consistent for the next 4 to 6 months, it's really doable and achievable. That's why my recommendation is just upload, create, and take one of these tips, and I hope you get your first 100,000 followers in the next few months.